Get ready, because what you're about to see isn't just a collection of beautiful space photos. It's a journey through time, through light, through echoes of ancient stars and hidden structures we never knew existed until the James Webb Space Telescope arrived. These aren't 9 images. They're 9 portals into a universe that has been waiting, quietly, for us to finally look deeper. Let's begin. First up, NGC 2217, a shining heart from 65 million years ago. Imagine looking at a glowing city, but seeing it the way it was when dinosaurs still walked the Earth. That's NGC 2217. It's a barred spiral galaxy, very similar in size to our own Milky Way, stretching about 100,000 light-years across. But the real magic is that bright central bar. It funnels gas inward like a cosmic conveyor belt. Some of that gas collapses to form brand new stars, igniting the core. The rest is devoured by a supermassive black hole, the powerful engine that shapes the entire galaxy's evolution. NGC 2217 is a stunning reminder that galaxies don't just exist. They grow, they change, they live. Next, we have NGC 5408, the galaxy that didn't want a label. You see, some galaxies follow the rules, fitting neatly into our classifications. This one doesn't. For years, NGC 5408 was misclassified, mistaken for a planetary nebula, the remnant of a dying star. But it's actually a chaotic, irregular galaxy, about 16 million light-years away. And inside it lies something even stranger. NGC 5408X, 1, an ultraluminous X-ray source. This cosmic lighthouse is so bright it outshines entire star systems. Scientists believe it might hold an intermediate mass black hole, a rare size that acts as a missing link between stellar mass and supermassive black holes. It's a true cosmic mystery, hiding in plain sight. Our third image, NGC 7541, is the star-making engine. If galaxies are star factories, then this one is running overtime. Located in the constellation Pisces, NGC 7541 is another barred spiral, and its central bar isn't just decorative, it's highly functional. It drags in enormous clouds of gas, fueling furious bursts of star formation and waking up dormant regions of the galaxy. It turns out that about 2/3 of all spiral galaxies have bars, including our own Milky Way. This suggests that we, too, may have been born from this exact same cosmic mechanism, a powerful engine churning out stars across the ages. Image number 4 is NGC 1755, which looks like a handful of cosmic salt. Picture sprinkling salt onto a vast, black canvas, and every single grain begins to glow. That's NGC 1755. It's an open star cluster in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way. By cosmic standards, it's tiny, only 120 light-years wide. But what makes it incredible is that it's packed with multiple stellar populations. We see young, hot, blue stars alongside older, cooler, red stars. They have different histories, all crowded into one small cluster. It's a living time capsule, showing astronomers exactly how stars evolve together and how their differences form over millions of years. Now, let's look at NGC 1433, the galaxy with a blindingly bright heart. This isn't just another spiral galaxy. It's a Seyfert galaxy, a rare class that makes up only about 10% of all galaxies we see. Its core shines brighter than thousands of suns combined, powered by a supermassive black hole actively feeding on the gas and dust swirling around it. This intense activity creates an unbelievably luminous center. Before Webb, much of this core was obscured by dust. But with its infrared vision, Webb peels back the layers of this brilliant center, revealing intricate structures and outflowing jets we've never been able to see so clearly before. Hold on, because our 6th image, WHLJ 2433, is a city of galaxies. Look very carefully. Almost every single bright point of light you see here is a galaxy, not a star. An entire galaxy. This is the core of a massive galaxy cluster, a metropolis of galactic giants. So how do so many galaxies stay together in one place? Gravity, yes, but not just the gravity of what we can see. They are held in place by something completely invisible, dark matter. It forms a hidden skeleton, a vast web of unseen structure that holds hundreds of galaxies in its gravitational grip, shaping the large-scale structure of the universe itself. Our seventh portal opens to ARP 273, the Dance of Galaxies. This isn't a violent collision. It's a graceful, cosmic dance. We're seeing two galaxies passing so close to one another that one has literally swept through the other. The result is a breathtaking display of gravitational interaction. You can see the twisting spiral arms, stars being stretched out into long tidal tails, and beautiful blue waves of new star formation triggered by the immense pull of gravity. ARP 273 is a powerful, dynamic reminder that the universe is not a still picture. It is constant motion, interaction, and transformation. Next, we zoom out to the Cosmos Webb field, a view wider than Hubble ever gave us. Imagine seeing the area of 3 full moons side by side in the night sky. That's the patch the Cosmos Webb survey observes, about 0.6 square degrees. It's vast, it's detailed, and it's panoramic. While the Hubble Space Telescope gave us incredibly deep but narrow views, like looking through a keyhole, James Webb gives us deep and wide views. Here, we can see the actual scaffolding of the early universe, the gossamer threads of the cosmic web, and vital clues to the distribution of dark matter. It's like finding a map of the universe's skeleton. For our final image, we come home. This is the heart of the Milky Way, our galactic laboratory. This image reveals the very core of our galaxy in stunning infrared light, showing us a 300 light-year wide mosaic of stars, dust, and violent activity. Hidden in this dense region, Webb has already discovered a new population of massive, young stars that are actively shaping the environment around them with their powerful stellar winds. This place, the center of our own galaxy, is the blueprint we use to understand the core of every other galaxy out there. Studying others always begins by understanding our own home. Every one of these 9 images carries the same profound message. The universe is stranger, grander, and far more alive than we ever imagined. The James Webb Space Telescope isn't just taking pictures, it's rewriting our understanding of everything. If you enjoyed this journey through space and time, there's another one waiting for you on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and let's keep exploring together.